There will be no need for attestation. PPP colleges have closed admissions for international students. Alberta has closed the Alberta Opportunity Stream. New program has been announced by Alberta. Apply before it's too late. Since the time 2024 has started, Canada has given so many surprises to everyone in terms of immigration and student visa. Some of them are good surprises and some of them are bad news for the people who wanted to move to Canada and make Canada as their dream country. So today's video, I have two good news and two bad news for you. In the beginning, I will be sharing the bad news with you first, as I wanted to end the video on a good note. Please make sure you watch the video till the end. Before that, please subscribe to my channel, because on this channel you'll be able to view such informative video from time to time. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Pawan Speaks Canada. I hope everybody is doing well. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So as I mentioned, first I will be talking about the bad news. So two major updates are coming from Canada. The first major update is, which is actually a bad news, that in Canada, PPP colleges have stopped admissions for international students because of the new changes which were introduced. So now they are planning to close admissions for international students. As per the update, there is a college named Mohawk College which falls under the PPP college category in Mississauga. They have announced that from September onwards, which is actually a fall intake, they will be closing admissions for international students. This has been declared by them, and there might be a possibility in the near future there could be more PPP colleges might close admissions for international students. The main campus of this college is in Hamilton, but the main campus has a tie-up with Trios College, so that campus has been closed for international students from September intake, that is like fall intake onwards. So in this college, there are somewhere around 7,200 students, and 36% of students are studying on this campus only. So after considering all the latest information and updates that PPP colleges will not be getting work permit anymore, fall intake. So based on all these factors, they have decided that in fall intake, they will not take admissions for international students. This college, along with other colleges, have also written a letter that these changes should be delayed so that the May intake student should be made possible. So this was the first bad news that I wanted to share it with you all guys. The second bad news that I have for you is that AlbertaPNP has been closed. So the PNP of Alberta is considered to be the easiest PNP. So whenever we think about getting a PR, and this has also been recommended by most of the consultants, or whenever people do their own research about applying for PR, the first thing that comes in everybody's mind is about Alberta. And AlbertaPNP also within Canada, there are a lot of people, especially from Ontario, move to different provinces to get PNP, out of which the most chosen one was AlbertaPNP, in which a lot of students used to move post getting work permit, because in Alberta it was quite easy to get PR, and that PR stream was called the Alberta Opportunity Stream. So in this, if you are on a work permit and in case you have worked for 6 months, post that, through this stream you can apply for a PNP. A lot of students were using this, and there were a lot of people who were on work permit were considering their pathway to PR through this stream only. But now this program has been suspended until further notice, and there is no such information whether this will start again or not, or it will be permanently suspended. So there are a lot of students who have already moved here and have put in their PR file up till 15th of February. They are still eligible, but for the people who will be putting up their file post 15th February, this program is been closed for them, which is actually a bad news for everyone. Now let's talk about the first good news that I have to share it with everyone, which is a good news about the attestation letter. There is no attestation letter required now, As I have already stated in the past that in Quebec, the CAQ will be considered as an attestation letter. And I really do not know from where it has come that there will be a requirement for a separate attestation letter. But I was sure that COQ will be considered as an attestation letter. So now this has also become official news on the official immigration website of Quebec that they have declared that on 13th February, along with the CAQ letter, that attestation letter which was there, and they have started issuing that. So now they will be issuing only one letter, that is CAQ, and that can be considered as an attestation letter. And you can put up your files on basis of that, and you will not be requiring any other documentations. Besides that, in case you have taken admission in Quebec and you have taken study permit in Quebec and wanted to apply for the same, so the confusion in Quebec has been about the Quebec has been resolved now. And in Quebec, the students who are taking admissions, they do not need any attestation letter. You can just simply apply your CAQ, and that COQ is itself an attestation letter post 13th of February. All the students have applied, they will be getting a CAQ attestation letter together. So this is actually a good news. So in the near future, we have to wait and see that all provinces comes up with their own process or system for attestation letter. But Quebec has already started doing the same. Now let's talk about the next good news, which is linked to the closure of Alberta Opportunity Stream program. So now you must be wondering why this program was closed, as you are all aware that Canada needs skilled labor, and Canada always wanted only those people who are skilled as per the requirement of Canada. They wanted them to come here and get PR over here. So there are only few skills which are in demand. On the top, we have healthcare, then we have technology, construction workers, we have agriculture, but now there is a new skill which is added, that is hospitality. French speaking skills are always been welcomed by Canada. I'm talking about hospitality skills because this is a new stream which has been started by Alberta, which is called hospitality and tourism. The reason behind for introducing the stream is because post-COVID, the tourism industry has grown rapidly in Alberta, and most of the jobs in the skills are still vacant, and Alberta is in favor of calling only those people who are skilled in hospitality and tourism, because this skill is not available, and due to that they have lot of open vacancies. They have to really create a stream which is actually a category for PR, so that through this stream the people who are skilled in hospitality and tourism can apply and get PR directly. In Alberta, tourism industry is very successful, as there are a lot of beautiful places to visit in Alberta, such as Banff, we have Jasper. They want to be ready and prepared for the next session. They will be having limited spots, and this program is starting from March 1st, 2024. So I'm telling you and sharing the information with you all in advance so that you can apply on time and can meet all the requirements on time or be prepared in advance. It should not be like that, by the time we get to know about this, it gets filled up. Well, there is no update right now we have for the limit, but I'm sure that it must be having a limited seats only. And in case vacancies are limited, then it might fill up very quick. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria for the same. So the first main eligibility criteria for this direct PR for Alberta is you should have 6 months of experience in the tourism and hospitality industry. So now you have to do a lot of research yourself, which all other things that comes under hospitality and tourism. And in case I'll be able to find some information, I will also show that on screen as well, because it's a wide industry. So they are looking for a lot of people with 6 months of experience only. The second eligibility is a permanent job offer, which is non-seasonal, because in tourism industry we also have seasonal offers. So non-seasonal job offer is required from an approved Alberta employer, anywhere in Alberta. So you can try for job offer, and in case you get a job offer, it should be a non-seasonal and full-time. Then you are eligible to apply under this program. Most important thing is it is an expedited process. The best thing about this program, so that your PR decision will be quick and fast, and in case you get a job offer from Alberta from an approved employer, so be prepared for the for 1st of March 2024, and I would suggest you to action on this and check all your requirements such as your IELTS score, your status in Canada in case you are inside Canada. So once you do all this and you are all set for this program, the quicker you do it, the better it will be for you. There are also other programs in Alberta. You can also check them as well. So please make sure you check this program and apply and act accordingly as soon as possible. I hope this video will be able to help you in taking a quick decision. So please make sure that you share this video with the maximum number of people. Let me quickly do a recap. So the PPP colleges have started closing their fall intake. The first college in Mohawk is a Mohawk college. The second thing is in Quebec, only CAQ will be considered there. There is no need for an attestation letter in case you want to apply for a study visa. The third important information that we discussed is Alberta has closed opportunity stream. And the fourth one, which is the most important one, that is Alberta new program, PR program stream for hospitality and tourism industry. So please apply as soon as possible. And in case you like the video, please subscribe to my channel for all the latest information and updates. And also please turn on the notification bell as well. Thank you for watching Pawan Speaks Canada. See you soon in my next video. Thank you and all the best.